Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell I just took a shower, so I thought it would be a good idea to just do a review on something I got at the store, which is Hot Tools. It is a 2-in-1 basically dryer and brush, so if you guys are interested in seeing how this works, keep on watching. Okay, so let's see what this comes with. We're gonna do an unboxing together. If I can get it opened. How does this work? Alright, we got it. So this says, that's in French, I can't read French. Okay, hold on, I got this. No, I don't got this. So it says salon blowout in half the time. Great for second day hair. Okay, so maybe not for today, but we'll see how that works. It's hotter, faster, powerful. It has direct ion technology, so it helps reduce frizz. And there is lifetime limited warranty. That's kind of contradicting, but okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. And, ooh, nice. This is what it looks like. So that looks pretty cool. Duh. I just opened it from here. Hate opening boxes. Usually my fiance opens everything for me. Why are you gonna make the package so hard to open? But mind you, I don't have a table here, so maybe it's just me. Okay, I got it, and it's massive. But this looks really cool. I'm just gonna go plug it in. There is the on button, cool, low, and high. What do we do? I just turn it. Yes, so you turn the knob and it just starts going. So I'm gonna do it on low and see how this works. Feel too bad. It feels nice and warm. I'm actually going to turn this off and I'm going to section my hair out and clip it out of the way and see if that helps with drying quicker. Make sure you have your heat protectant on. I had my bamboo, which is one of my favorites right now. It's kind of dry, but obviously it's a little wet up on the root still because I couldn't get that far, but I'm just going to see how the rest of this works. So my hair's dry now. It seems like it's doing okay. I'll just throw this in the back and see how it looks in the back. So it's definitely a lot straighter than when I actually try and blow dry my hair normally, but what's my verdict on this so far? First impression, it's okay. I kind of got bored in the middle of brushing my hair, just like I did when I blew dry it normally, but I mean, it's not that exciting to dry your hair. I don't know, I mostly just got this because I'm a very lazy person and I always emphasize that. But I wanted to see how it would cut my time in half, and kind of looking on the timer when I was filming this, it took around maybe 10 minutes. So that's a big jump from, with my hair being blonde now, it takes me maybe 20-ish minutes. So yeah, it's right, it does cut my blow dry time in half. I'm gonna try using it a few more times before I give a better review, but if you guys want a more thorough review, then leave me a comment in the comments below, and then maybe I can do something more in depth. Maybe I'll try it on my clients too and see how they like it, but so far it's decent for me. That's really it for the end of the video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!